Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to draw Teddiursa from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So we move over to the left side and draw in a circle. Starting from the top, I'm just going to work our way around to the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now we leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we want to line up the top of the circle, come down towards the bottom, and back up to the top. Now at the top of each eye, I want to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. So we'll start at the top edge of the eye, just draw that small circle, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's fill the bottom areas of the eye in black. Now we want to line up the nose with the bottom edge of the eye. So we're going to move to the center and draw an oval. Starting from the middle, go around towards the side, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to fill the nose in black. Now we're going to go in and draw that moon-shaped symbol in behind the eyes. So we're going to start with the inside edge of the eye. Let's start on the left. We're going to curve down and in towards the side of the nose. We'll go up on the right side. Now we're going to continue this curve going all the way around. So let's start at the top of the left eye, draw almost like a circle going around, and we're going to pull this down aiming towards the right eye. Now from here, let's draw on the inside of the moon. We draw almost like a smaller circle going around. I'm going to pull this up above the right eye, aiming towards that top point. And then from here, we're just going to taper it down in behind the right eye. Now we're going to have the left arm on top of the face. So we're going to line up with the center of the nose. We're going to come down and over towards the left. And from here, we want to draw an angled oval going around with an open end along the bottom. So let's start out here, curve up and in towards the middle, aiming towards the nose. We'll round this out, go out towards the side. Now we're just going to pull that in. Now at the end of the hand, we're going to add 3 claws. Let's start with the center. We're going to aim towards the nose with an upside down V. We're going to leave a gap and aim this out a little bit further, going out towards the right. And now we'll go to the top. We're going to aim this one straight up towards the left eye. Now from here, we're going to draw the head in behind this arm. So let's start with the top curve. Starting from the left, curve up over that moon shape, and then back down on the right. We're going to leave a gap for the ears, come down the side, down in behind this arm. So let's start on the left. We're going to continue this curve, going out. I'm going to pull that in behind the arm on the left. Now we're going to line this point up with the right side, curve out, round out the side of the head. Now I'm just going to pull that in to right about there. Now we're going to draw the bottom trim of the face in behind the arm. So let's start on the left side of this eye, curve out, and then in behind the arm. Let's go to the right side. We're going to pull this all the way around, down towards the bottom, and then in behind the arm. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the ears. It's almost like 2 small circles. Starting from this point, we're going to step in, go all the way around, and we'll just pull that in towards the side of the head, making sure there's a little overlap on the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, curve around. Now we're just going to pull that in towards the side of the head. Now let's draw on the inside of the ear. It's almost like drawing a swirl. So we're going to start on the outside, draw almost like a backward 6, coming around. I'm just going to pull this up underneath that curve. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So let's line up this point, right out here. We're going to curve around, down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to hook that back up. Let's fill these circles in black. Now let's move back down and draw on the right arm. We start underneath the head. We want to leave a little overlap. Curve around the side of the arm, down towards the bottom, and round this out and then pull that back up. Let's add 2 claws along the bottom. So on the left, we're going to draw one V. leave a gap, and draw the second claw. Now let's draw on the bottom part of the body. From the bottom of the elbow, we're going to step out, curve out, and we'll just hook that in. Now we take that and flip it over on the right. We're going to start just underneath this claw, curve down and in towards the same height. Now we're going to leave a gap on either side and draw on the lower part of the body, curving down from left to right. Let's draw on the bottom of the feet. On the left side, we're going to step in, curve down, and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving down and out. Now back on the left side, we're going to draw on two claws. Let's start with the socket. We're going to curve in, round this out, and pull that down. Now I'm going to draw a straight line coming in towards the bottom of the socket. Let's layer a second claw in behind. So we'll start at the top of this curve, going up, and then hooking that down, and we'll go straight across in behind the front claw. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to start by hooking in, and then down. We're just going to connect these 2 points with a straight line. Let's do that again. At the top of this claw, we're going to go up, and then down, and then pull that in with a straight line. Now the last thing we're going to do is draw on the top of the foot. At the top of the second claw, we're going to go up and pull that in behind the body. So there's a little overlap. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Teddiursa from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.